Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we will talk about how to find trending Add Yours on Instagram and show you how to join the latest story trends easily. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account if you are not already logged in, because you need access to your profile to create and post stories using Instagram features. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen, or simply swipe right from your feed. This will open the Stories section, where you can create a new story and use interactive stickers. Step 3. Choose a photo from your camera roll or take a new photo using the camera. This photo will be the background of your story and is required before adding any sticker. Step 4. Tap on the sticker icon located at the top of the story editor screen. This icon opens the sticker menu, where Instagram provides interactive options like polls, questions, and Add Yours. Step 5. Tap on the search bar inside the sticker menu and type Add Yours. This helps filter the sticker list so you can quickly find the Add Yours feature. Step 6. Tap on the Add Yours sticker from the search results. Once selected, Instagram will display trending Add Yours prompts that other users are currently engaging with. Step 7. Browse through the trending Add Yours challenges shown on your screen and select one you like. This allows you to join popular trends and increase engagement on your story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.